Hello.
Yes, you're at the Sephora Sleepover.
We are.
You're gonna be playing Truth or Dare.
Guys, David said we're playing Truth or Dare.
So go get the cards out of the makeup drawer and get ready to play. Have fun.
Bye.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I guess we just take a card?
You go, girl.
I'm nervous. Ty.
Of course.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Ooh, okay. Tell us how many pics are in your selfie album.
Ooh, Mom needs to clean it out.
Ooh.
Wait, can we guess first?
Yeah. Oh.
Sure.
14,000.
Oh. I'm gonna say, let's give it a modest 2,000.
I wish. The answer is 40,765.
Oh. Okay.
Might have to do some
close.
spring cleaning. That was intense. Okay. Well, no.
Oh.
Ashley, truth or dare?
Dare.
Try to lick your elbow.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
I want to see it.
Okay.
Roll
I have a
back.
friend that could do this, actually.
Well, your friend ain't here.
Lick your...
Go ahead, girl.
Oh.
No way.
No, you can do it. You
can do
it.
No.
Try it the other way.
No. I should have picked truth.
Pull it in like this.
Yeah,
Try.
No. Do you want to lick it? Sam. Truth or dare?
I don't want to do either,
Relatable.
but I'll do dare.
Okay.
We're risky tonight.
All
aren't we?
right. Apply the rare blush with no mirror. I think you've got this in the bag.
I don't think I do. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, I like the technique. The technique is good.
She's very pigmented.
Remember, 1 dot goes a long
I'm already
way.
shaking, guys.
You did 3 dots. Super long.
Just pray to Selena. This feels so wrong.
It's okay.
How do I look?
Oh, you're good.
Yeah,
you're
you're
good.
good.
Are you lying?
No, I
No,
promise.
you really
you're
are.
good.
You're good.
You're killing it.
You're
Because
gorgeous.
your face doesn't say that I'm killing
promise.
it. If I take a look and I see that it's terrible,
I wouldn't lie to you.
okay, I'm gonna go look.
Yeah.
Okay, not bad.
I told
Yes!
Not bad. She's an artist. Okay, hold on. Ty, truth or dare?
I'm gonna do truth this time.
What beauty trend do you think is totally overrated? Tell us no.
The strawberry makeup. I'm
Okay.
sorry. The strawberry makeup.
yeah.
It's just too basic for me. I feel like we've been doing that
We
for
love red blush.
I feel like we've been doing that for
Yeah.
centuries, decades.
I would say so.
We just finally put a label on it. I'm sorry.
She said it.
Don't come after me. Actually, I don't care. But next card. I already asked you, so I'm gonna ask you. Truth or dare?
I don't like telling the truth, so dare.
Let me style your hair, and you have to post a selfie of it right now.
This is a very bad PR situation. Let's do it.
It'll be cute. I need some popcorn. I got my popcorn. Catch it in your mouth.
Okay,
You ready?
I think so. Ty, make me look cute.
I'll try.
I already feel things I shouldn't.
I'm sweating. Okay.
Oh.
It's fine.
Oh.
It's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna look like the ant. I'm gonna look like an ant.
I don't know what to do.
Look at me.
It looks fine.
Yeah, it looks great.
Never look better.
Why are you closing your eyes?
I go, almost done, almost done. There we go. Oh my gosh.
How many antennas are you giving me?
Enough.
See, I feel a lot of business on this side.
Yeah.
You're done.
You look so good.
Ty said, wow. A comb? You said I look good. There's a comb in my
Never
head.
look better.
You love it. I'm gonna post the selfie now.
It's literally iconic.
Ashley,
I didn't want to make eye contact.
it's because you closed your eyes and you said I look good.
Yes.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Okay. Serenade the person to your left with an original song about them.
It's my moment. That was not even a dare. TyAna,
Oh.
you've graced me with another day. You're so beautiful with your hair clip.
Wait, hold on, stop. I'm actually gonna move.
And a 5, 6, 7, give me a T.
Hey.
Give me a Y.
Why?
Give me an A.
A.
Give me an N.
A.
Thank you, and scene. Thank you.
Was that Broadway?
Yes.
All right, guys, those were all the questions, so I think we're done. But this was so much fun. I had so much fun.
Can we please have a sleepover for real?
Yes, we really
Like
should.
next time.
We should.
Of course.
I would love that.
Yes! Bye.